We just concluded the capacity building workshop for youth organizations and members of the National Youth Council here at Aegis Trust. As part of the peace and values education, we've also wanted the training were aimed at emphasizing skills related to project development, to community-based research, organizational structure, and also considering other cross-cutting themes such as gender, environmental consideration, and other cross-cutting themes that contribute to peace building.
When we came here, we had a problem with our organization of having so many objectives. We saw a lot of problems and we wanted to solve everything at the same time. And as much as we were passionate, it's impossible to do it all at once. So part of the things we've learned here is to narrow down your objectives and be as specific as you can be, and also allow yourself to start an activity and go to the next one without trying to solve everything at the same time.
Icyambere mu byo twize twabashije kwiga uko dushobora gukora project ijyanye n'umushinga wari wose twaba twifuza gukora ahantu runaka, uko dushobora kuwukora tugendeye ku miterere y'ahantu se cyangwa tugendeye no ku ntego twaba dufite nka organisation se cyangwa nk'urubyiruko. Icyo ni kimwe. Ikindi cya kabiri twabashije kwigamo ni ukumenya ese ndaza uretse kuba nakora project ndaza kuidentifyinga gute ibibazo bihari, gukora research nkabanza kumenya ese iby'ingenzi nkwiriye kuba mperaho ni ibihe. Muri community hashobora kuba hari ibibazo byinshi bitandukanye ariko byose bidashobora gukemukira icyarimwe, ariko ukareba iby'ingenzi ukwiriye kubuheraho nk'umujene se cyangwa nka organisation mugashyira muri implementation, noneho ibindi bikagenda bikurikirana hashingiwe ku buremere bwabyo.
We've had a very interesting training. It was a very practical session where the young people actually practiced on planning, developing and managing their projects using tools that were developed ahead. And I'll say that this is a starting point of an impact we want to lead. Youth organizations actually having a more clear purpose and being able to grow, sustain their initiatives. And we also want them to even advocate for problems they have in their communities. So this training will enable them to do that.
Another thing is when we first came here, we had a problem regarding creating budgets, managing money, and what to do if your budget is greater than the amount you have. But we have been able to learn how to, plan for that, manage the risks that can come with projects that we do, and also be able to find solutions if you don't have a big enough funding to run your program. So the way I see that the knowledge we've gained here will help us in Amani is that we are going to work in a way that is more structured and that is more specific and guided towards a certain specific goal than we were working before.
Buri mujene wabashije kugera hano ugiye kugenda akabisangiza abo babasha kuba bakorana bizagira umusaruro, ariko nanone nsaba ko nanone yaba twebwe nk'inama y'igihugu y'urubyiruko ndetse n'umuryango wa Aegis Trust tugomeza gufatikanya mu gukurikirana no kurushaho kureba kugira ngo bantu twahuguye ese barimo barabikora neza, ese ni abafite imbogamizi abagize imbogamizi turaza kubafasha gute kugira ngo noneho tubashe kugomeza twese kujyanamo ya projet twatangiye yose abashe kuba yaraninga neza.
Going forward, we will continue following up with the youth organizations, making sure that they're using the tools and they're familiar with the tools, making sure that they are actually practicing what they learned in their communities. We'll continue to mentor and coach them. And another thing we'll do is to give them opportunities of funding, whether from Aegis Trust, but we believe that the skills that they have now, they're even able to apply for their funding elsewhere in the world. So I'm confident that this training will really level up the youth organizations that are in peace building in Rwanda. We'd like to appreciate the support we get from our partners, in this journey of empowering youth organizations in Rwanda. We're very thankful to Creative Visions organization, as well as the Ministry of Youth and Arts in Rwanda.